excuse me. It jumped back into the lake.
Oh, I wish I saw that. Alright, can you see me?
We can see
Am I
you.
in frame? Am I in the middle?
Yes, you are.
It's alright. So how you like it?
It's okay.
Oh. It's just okay? Okay. I'll take it.
That's fine.
Hey guys, this is the first Florida vlog, and right now I have my eye on that coconut seed. Where is the coconut? Flower showing. But if I'm being honest, this was back in January, and I'm now editing this footage. I know, but here it is. Enjoy.
Oh, excuse me. It jumped back into the lake.
Oh, I wish I saw that.
Look at it. Hi.
Here's my mama. Yes, flip the hair, flip the hair. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look, what are those, bird ducks?
I don't know what those are. I've been trying to figure out if they're garlands, but I just
Google
don't.
it.
I try, but I don't know what am I looking for.
Let's see. Look at the garland out in its natural habitat. It might be a garland, it might not be. We both approach each other slowly. Let's see what's it gonna do. Yo, imagine if it just started running after me. I said, imagine if it just starts running after me. Alright, can you see me?
We can see
Am I
you.
in frame? Am I in the middle?
Yes, you are.
So right now we're trying to get this coconut that has started to sprout because grandma's gonna plant. So I'm just popping back in here for some commentary. I just need to say the concentration was real.
I hope she don't fall. She's
Struggling.
ooh. Where's the other stick? Where's the other stick? Don't fall in there. And it's coming over. Just hold it by the. Hold it by that. Yeah. She got it, people. All of her booty's out. Her big booty's out. She got, ooh, it's bright. Oh, Papayo! Ah! It's bright. Oh, Papayo! Ah! Wait, she got it. She got it.
Look at the roots at the bottom.
Look at the roots. See? Don't, please come up from the edge, but ooh.
Look at this. See the roots already starting to sprout? And this is the tree.
We're gonna plant it in the yard.
Gonna plant it in the yard. Add some rice. Oh yeah. So how you like it?
It's okay.
Oh, it's just okay. Okay, I'll take it.
How it tastes to you?
The green one?
The food. I can taste good.
Thank you, Grandma.
Cheers.
I don't have anything to cheers you with. Hey, Mom. Ha, 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 ha. Alrighty, so Grandma is here cleaning the fish and the sprats, which are like the smaller fish, should be coming up right about now. Yep, there they are. Sprats, the small fish. And right now, Grandma's cleaning it with the, I believe that's a lemon, to take out the rawness and the freshness of the fish, I believe. And these are the seasonings that will be added to the fish. So those are carrots and some red peppers. It's a Scotch bonnet pepper. Got some thyme, tomato, onions, and scallions. Yeah, all the good stuff. Grandma makes the fish, I will make the escabeche, which is basically like a spicy pickled dressing that you can put on the fish. It's really good, just amazing. It's like the best thing in the world.
ready, waiting for you. Yup. Can you figure out what my last card is? Alright, you know one, that's fine. $6-4, folks. 6-4. I have. And I win. See, this is what happens when I drink. Check the score, people. Wait, did I win? No, if you played it, it would have been a key, right? Okay, so it's not a key, but I still got 5. 6 to win, people. Let's go, mommy. One more game. So, guys, I won with a key. You see the key there? Which made me get 7. What? Yes. So guys, I did it. I won. Beat mommy. Well, she won the first game. I won the second. So we're tied. But I beat mommy that last time. It was great because I stopped counting. I stopped taking it so serious, and I won. This is why you just gotta have fun all the time, and you just might come out on top.